everybody, this is Caitlin from SUPCASE, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Unicorn Beetle Stella onto your iPhone 10, 10R, 10S, or 10S Max. So you can see here this case is pretty smooth. This is a totally new design, new case use we have here. It's really, really pretty as you can see. So to install the case, at the bottom right corner of the case will be a little divot. Using your fingernail or something thin like a coin, you can get between those creases and peel it back like such, like you would a Tupperware lid or something. And then from there you should be able to manipulate the rest of the case off to separate the two pieces. From there, you're going to get your device, screen down, you're gonna face it into the screen protector portion of the case and click it in there, make sure it's snapped in. You'll hear it snap in. So from there, then you're going to squeeze this back in here. Make sure that outer bumper case is all squeezed down and connected. And there you go, it's installed. So again, make sure all your ports are lined up and accessible. So this is a dual layer case. It comes with the built-in screen protectors to help prevent scratching to the screen. The back is also scratch proof. This case is drop tested up to 10 feet. It's dual layer, all protective TPU materials. This case also comes in different colors. This is the marble color, but it also comes in black, pink, and blue, so you can check those out as well. So to uninstall the case, it's generally the same process as installing it. Again, you're going to start at the bottom right corner of the case using your thumbnail, get in between, that crease there where the case parts connect, peel it back like you would a Tupperware lid, and then from there separate the pieces. Then you just push it out using the screen protector, and that's pretty much the general process of removing it. It might be hard to do this at first, installing and uninstalling it, but the more you do it, the easier it'll become. I hope this helps you guys. If you liked the video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more, or leave a comment and let us know what you think. Again, thanks for watching. This has been Caitlin.